Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Zai and you're watching my life's diaries. Today, pupunta kami sa GP para magpa-general checkup at the same time to update my name. And of course, ipapakita ko ulit sa inyo ang daan. Going there, magbabas kami. Tapos pabalik, we just wanted to just walk since maaga naman at summer pa. So, yung paglubog ng araw is like alas 11 pa. So, I'll see you there, guys! Mainit, guys! Ang init! It's like, 4:35 p.m. Init! Good thing it's windy. That's my husband. He forgot about me. He walked past by me. Ato.
Take it.
20 minutes only. How many pasta?
Sure.
Para hindi naman tayo maboard sa panonood, gawin na rin nating informative tong video na to. So, ang dahilan kung bakit kami pupunta sa GP or General Practitioner is to get NHS or National Health Service Number. Kung ikukumpara natin sila sa Pilipinas, ito ay parang PhilHealth number. Kaya lang dito kasi ang NHS is like your health insurance dyan sa Pilipinas. Dito nga lang is libre. Okay? In order for me to do that, kailangan ko munang maghanap ng malapit na GP dito sa lugar namin para madali namin silang mapuntahan. So, after makita na namin kung saan, magre-register lang kami sa website. I don't know kung nag-a-accept sila ng registration over the phone or in person, pero kasi ang ginawa namin, para hindi na rin hassle, we do it online in their website. So, upon application, naka-receive lang ako ng email the same day confirming that the registration has been successful at kailangan ko lang pumunta sa kanilang clinic para i-validate yung ID ko or to check on my ID kung nag-match ba. Also, nung nag-register kasi ako, I was in the impression that I can use my married name kahit na wala akong ID under my married name yet. Hindi ko alam kasi kung magkakaroon siya ng problema. And na-realize ko na I'd rather have it changed to my maiden name kasi nga wala na akong kailangan i-explain kasi my maiden name it's actually on my passport and BRP card. While my married name kasi, wala pa, hindi pa ako nakakapag-update ng passport ko. Tumawag ako sa GP or sa general practitioner ko and according to the receptionist na I just need to go there as well and present my passport or BRP card or any IDs and then they can actually update it. After a week or so, naka-receive ako ng letter from NHS na and it already have my NHS number. So that NHS number, gagamitin ko siya every time na pupunta ako sa GP or mag-register ako sa ibang GP kung lilipat man ako ganun. Pero yung current GP ko now, meron na silang record ko. 'Di ba sa Pilipinas, yung PhilHealth natin, parang magagamit mo lang siya pag may upon operation, saka pag nanganak ka, tapos hindi lahat covered. So, ilalakad mo siya sa PhilHealth para ma-cover yung iba or ma-cover lahat yung procedure. Dito kasi, yung NHS nila is your general medical health care. So, lahat, kung check-up, kung may procedure man, lahat covered siya ng NHS. Ang pagkakaiba nga lang kasi dito, it has to be done through appointment. So, lahat talaga may appointment. At lahat ng procedure or bago ka makapunta sa specialist, kailangan mo munang dumaan sa GP. Tapos, magkakaroon ng referral and the like. Sa Pilipinas kasi, di ba, pila-pila tayo. Tapos, minsan, pipila ka kasi dadating daw yung doktor. Tapos, pag yung schedule ng doktor, biglang sasabihin, ay, hindi makakarating. So, sobrang haggard yung paghihintay mo, ang aga-aga mo pa nga sa schedule mo. Tapos, makakancel lang din pala. Dito, lahat, pag sinabing gantong oras, dapat nandun ka on time or before at least. Hindi ka maghihintay na matagal. Which is one of the reason na parang ang ganda lang. Hindi ka pagod, hindi ka maghihintay ng sobrang tagal. So, mas schedule mo yung pagpunta mo. At also, isegue ko lang ha. Dito sa UK, kung mapapansin nyo, halos lahat, dito sa lugar namin ha, hindi ko alam sa ibang lugar ng UK kasi hindi ko pa naman siya na-explore yung ibang area. Pero dito kasi, kung mapapansin mo, ang tahimik. Yung mga bahay nila, uniform, walang masyadong tao sa labas or nakatambay sa labas. Walang chismis dito, guys. Walang marites. Walang traffic. Yun pa. So, may pupuntahan ka kung anong oras yung time mo. Walang problema kung dadating ka doon 5 minutes or kung gigising ka man mga an hour before ang lakad mo. As long as makakasakay ka or aabutan mo yung schedule ng bus. So, very particular sila dito sa schedule ng bus. Usually naman, it's either early yung bus ng 5 minutes or late ng 5 minutes. Mga ganun lang. Tapos, yung mga bahay dito, pwedeng mag-park sa labas. Yung sa may along the road. As long as hindi siya makakasagabal or hindi busy yung road na pinaparkingan mo. Hindi siya cause ng traffic, hindi siya magdo-double parking, it is okay. Kasi dito, karamihan naman tao is may sasakyan. Yung mga nagko-commute siguro, walang sasakyan, or malapit lang yung pupuntahan. Tapos, wala din taxi dito. Yung katulad sa Pilipinas na paparahin mo. Meron silang taxi, pero para siyang Grab or Uber na kailangan mo i-book. Wala kang makikita dito ng sasakyan na nakalagay na taxi sa taas ng sasakyan or puti. Wala. Walang tricycle, walang jeep. So, ang makikita ko lang dito sa lugar namin ha, is buses at saka yung mga private cars. So, kung may pupuntahan ka na medyo malayo-layo pero hindi naman sobrang layo, wala kang masasakyang tricycle. Ang gagawin mo is either sasakay ka ng bus or lakarin mo. Kung sa paglalakad din lang naman, kahit na 30 minutes o isang oras kang maglakad, malamig. So, hindi ka hulas. So, kahit na mainit yung sikat ng araw, mahangin naman. Saka, bet talaga naming mag-asawa na maglakad. Kahit nga sa Pilipinas dati, mas gusto kong maglakad. Ang mahirap lang talaga sa Pilipinas is yung sobrang init. Tapos maglalakad ka. Diyos ko, nanggigitata ka talaga. As compared dito, kahit na maglakad ka ng mahaba, mananakit lang yung paa mo. Yung paa mo lang talaga yung susuko. Papawisan ka ng konti lang, pero yung hulas, hindi. At malapit na kaming bumaba. So, i-discuss ko na lang sa inyo yung mga nangyari mamaya after ng check-up.
Oh, that's a cute house. Where? Have to hold me because sometimes I might go somewhere else. Winds might blow my skirt in. Let's go green.
Naglakad lang kami saglit, siguro mga 10 to 15 minutes from the bus stop na binabaan namin. Hindi kasi namin na-anticipate, pwede pala kaming bumaba sa next bus stop para mas malapit dun sa clinic. RT-RThan time! Sa wakas, napahawak ko ng camera ang aking asawa na laging allergic at laging ayoko ang sagot sa akin. At in fairness maayos naman yung shot niya. Kaya sa vlog, ako ang talent, ako ang photographer, ako ang videographer, at ako din ang editor. So, you name it. Ako lahat yan.
Wow. This one?
Andito na kami sa clinic at syempre, hindi na natin i-video sa loob. See you later! Going home na from the GP appointment. Maglalakad kami from here, going home. So, after that, I'm gonna lose 3 kilos.
Nasa UK pa rin naman kami, guys. Medyo matagal-tagal na lakaran to. How many hours? 1 hour? 10 minutes? Or just an hour? An hour. My God. I'm just gonna show you around bit by bit, but not gonna video the whole walk that we are doing. Guys, nasa damuhan kami. Malayo pa kami sa Kabihasnan.
Ito yung nangyari sa appointment namin. So, dumating kami doon 10 minutes early sa schedule naming dalawa. And then, pumili lang kami saglit sa reception kasi we would like to let them know na present kami today. After, tinawag lang kami ng nurse. While we are in the room, yung asawa ko muna yung entertain. So, tinanong ng name, address, phone number, email address, yung mga details mo. And then after, nag-conduct ng BP, tapos nag-check ng height saka ng weight, tapos nagtanong kung nag-exercise pa, kung merong mga medical condition, mga pre-existing illness na kailangan i-disclose, mga ganun lang. Siguro it took like around 10 minutes per tao para mag-conduct ng information. Then after that, bumalik lang ako sa reception area kasi kailangan kong i-update yung name ko. So, binigay ko yung passport ko, in-scan lang nila or sinirox nila. Then, in-update na nila right away sa system. It might take a while for the information to be updated in NHS system. Pero, I doubt kung matagal siya. Nag-schedule na rin ako ng GP appointment para sa check-up ko annually. Kasi, usually I do that in the Philippines. Yearly talaga nagpapacheck up ako. Lalo na, di ba sa Pilipinas, pag nasa company ka, meron silang annual physical exam. So, I wanted to continue that here in the UK. At yun lang.
There's one church here. I don't know what church. Is that Catholic church? Is that a Catholic church, honey? I don't know if it's a Catholic church. It looks good. Looks antique. Oh, we're still walking. We still have like 13 minutes. Walk away. 40 minutes? Oh my God. We still have 14 more minutes. He is punishing me for being fat. This is how your husband treat you. If you got fat, he's gonna make you walk for an hour. Charot lang. Kidding.
I'm walking as well.
That's just a joke, guys. Ha? It's not true. Actually, we both agree that we're just walking home. There's a lot of nice houses here. Come on, join us. Come to the UK. My friends, I need you here. I want my friends to come here. So pretty in here. I just don't know during winter because, you know, cold. And it's not snowing, ha? Partida hindi nag-snow dito. Mag-snow man, konti lang. Kaya lang, malamig na, umuulan pa. Do you know what umuulan is? Raining. Yung malamig na nga, umuulan pa. So ano na, bota-bota na lang tayo, guys. If it's raining, you need to wear some raincoat, bring umbrella, and at the same time, you're gonna get wet, and then it's so cold pa. Good luck. By that time, I'll be working. Oh my God. Diba? Ang gaganda ng bahay dito. Uniform. Kami lang ata naglalakad ng ganito kalayo. Are we the only person who's walking this far? My God, oh. There's a lot of residential area here that has a lot of flowers. I just forgot to video it. Maybe we can see some later. What? That area? Are we going to cross the road? Hi, I thought you said there's no catwalk in that area. There's a lot of flowers. Or here na lang. For sale again. So much for sale here. Bili na kayo ng property dito, guys. Mura lang, charot. Oh, Kiki. Wait, I'm gonna show it. Kiki dessert. Yes, you want some Kiki dessert? You know what Kiki means? It's, you know, the ano. The women. The Filipino will see. I wanted to try this. I'll take a picture. I'll post it. I have some dessert at Kiki. I need you to carry me now. What's that? It's that bar? Babar elephant. Is that bar? When are we going to Manchester next weekend? This weekend, next weekend. In 19. Yes. The 19th, so Monday. And then a week before, Saturday before my start date, we should go there so I can stay in. So the last 2 weeks before my start date. Asta. Let's buy something. Why not? They want me to feed me. I have no bread now. Which bakery? This? We're going now? Now? Why not? Oh, you're so tired. And he's grabe pagod nito. Buti na lang hindi masyadong mainit. I mean, hindi masyado. May pawis, pero hindi ka tulad sa Pilipinas. Maglakad ka ng ganito, lapot na lapot ka. You're gonna be super haggard. Yan, tumutulong yung pawis mo, nanggigitata ka na. Yung tipong papasok ka pa lang mo, pauwi ka na. Tapos dito, kahit na maglakad ka ng isang oras, pagdating mo, fresh ka pa rin. Pagod ka nga lang. Hindi ba? Gaganda ng mga bahay dito. Are we going straight or right? Straight? Then we should be at that side. Straight here? Ah. How much longer? See, they are nice people. But instead, British arts now. But majority of them smile. Oh my god, I smell chicken. Fish and chips, honey. Why not? I'll have fish and chips and you'll have your burger. At least we don't have to, we don't have to order it online. No delivery charge. I want fish. Or maybe I'll just cook my tuna. Tuna and broccoli and that's so many. I still have chicken. Malapit na kami, like 14 minutes away na lang. At last, medyo dumidilim na rin. Time is it? It's 7 o'clock p.m. But it feels like just 4 o'clock in Manila. I'm so tired. 1 hour walk. But this is not just the only time we did this. Kasi nung nasa kami, Scotland, lakad din kami ng lakad, halos maghapon. And my feet ache so bad. Because it's really, there's a lot of nice space there. Kaya malapit na kami. Finally, nakauwi na kami. Nakaupo na ako. Ang sakit ng paa ko. So, isang oras nga talaga kaming naglakad. So, yun lang ang ginawa namin. Naglakad at nagpa-check up. And again, if you like this video, please
Give it a thumbs up.
and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Paalam!